You just finished a 4-hour stream. You're tired, you're hungry, you know you should be editing your clips from your stream, but the thought of spending another 3 hours in a video editor makes you want to quit. This is exactly how streamers burn out. Mr. Beast says if you aren't posting short form, you're basically invisible, which is why I locked in and learned how to go from making shorts that get hundreds of views to hundreds of thousands of views. And you can too. But I'm not spending my weekends in Premiere Pro. I want a week of content done in the time it takes to make me a cup of coffee. So today, I'm putting my lazy efficiency to the test, and I want to turn those 5 horizontal moments from my stream into 5 vertical style short form pieces of content that are viral ready to post to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, all within 5 minutes. So let's get the clock on the screen. Since we're balling on a budget, I'm gonna use my phone timer. So let's start this bad boy. 3, 2, 1, timer start. 5 minutes on the clock. Put my headphones on. Open up our little tab here. Let's switch over. I've actually partnered with the team at nexusclips for this video to show you guys exactly how I'm going to edit these clips. Basically, what you can do is you can link your Twitch or YouTube to nexusclips, do your stream. The AI will scan for your best moments, but I like using the OBS replay buffer to actually import my own clips because then I know they're banger clips right off the bat. So I just dragged my clip into here, and since my upload speed is absolute cheeks today, I'm talking McDonald's internet, I've actually already uploaded it in this next tab here. So you can do either of those. It's completely up to you. So I'm actually going to close out of this tab and go right here to editing our clip. So the first thing I want to do is go in the bottom. This is going to be our framing. So we're going to put me in full screen there. If you're gaming, you could do like miniature or whatever, but I'm doing just chatting, answering a question. So I need to go through here and actually cut out the meat and potatoes of the actual clip. So I believe it's someone asking me a question. I'm going to unmute this so I can hear it. Spendy ass right there. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to do right before it. I talk. I'm going to hit C and then I'm going to click here and delete. And we're just going to keep trimming up this video just to get the pacing right. So right there, we're going to cut. And then
if I were you,
I'm going to wait.
What I would do,
I believe right here. What I would do, perfect. I'm going to cut here, play.
What I would do if you're
we're just going to rinse and repeat.
Streamer, I would do 2 things. One,
we're going to rinse and repeat till we get it nice paced.
Have a little
so that way there's not a lot of dead air.
We have here.
Okay, cut. Except I need to go back and delete this dead air here, right?
One, I would 2 things. 2 things.
Okay, delete that dead space.
I would have a little list.
Nope, I lied.
One, I would have a little
okay,
list.
I don't know why I cut there.
One, I would have a
oh, that was dead air. Right there. Okay, my bad.
One, I would have a little list.
All right, good.
Like we have here.
We still got 3 minutes.
Write down
Perfect timing.
On things that you want to talk about. So like on mine. Mine.
Okay, there's a breath there. So I'm gonna cut that
out. I have
out.
my Raid gift card. My Raid.
Let's see here.
I have.
Cut here.
So like on talk about.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut there as well. I don't need this.
Want to talk about? I have my Raid gift card because I got addicted to Raid Shadow Legends. I have one about Christmas and I have one about the new treadmill speed up redeem.
Love it. Cut.
That I want to talk about.
Okay, I didn't.
So that way your mind doesn't go blank.
So I need to go to that where it says so.
So that.
Right there. Perfect. Cut. Delete here.
So that way your mind doesn't go blank while you're doing the chatting and you're not like just fumbling over your words saying, so what's up, chat?
Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to go right about here.
What's up, chat?
Right when I stop talking, C. And then right here, you can hear that breath. That usually helps.
And then 2, I would follow this channel so you can keep getting more tips like this to grow your stream.
Perfect. And that's the end. So that's the call to action, the CTA. And that's actually going to work perfectly with our next section after we get to the subtitles. So we're going to generate the subtitles. This honestly might be one of my favorite things about Nexus because this usually takes so much time. And they're not just like boring subtitles. They're animated captions, animated subtitles that pop. So they're a lot more pleasing to actually look at. And I actually like the purple one because it's the branding of Twitch, which we're talking about in this video, right? So you can go through and see all of the different individual words here. So if I play it, you'll be able to see, well, I got to drag to the beginning. So if I play it here,
not like just fumbling over your words saying,
I want to see to where it says,
and then 2,
follow.
I would follow this channel.
Right there, follow right there. So now I want to go to the next tab, go to the sticker. I want to pick the Twitch sticker so they know where to follow, but I need to drag it all the way to the end. So I need to zoom all the way out, drag it all the way to where my little marker is because that's where we have the follow thing. So I'm going to put it there. And then what I need to do is just kind of trim these a little bit right there. Love that. And then I can put this wherever I want. I'd probably put it like down here or something. And then you can also move your captions. I like to put them underneath my chin, or if you have gaming for this part and then your camera here, like put it on the actual trim of the border. So I have the sticker, the subtitles, and if I want to do a hook, I could do the premise of the video. We got 45 seconds, so maybe we can come up with one real quick. So we're talking about like just chatting tips, so maybe I'll do something like...
Any tips for new just chatting streamers? I'm new.
Maybe like new streamers, listen up. Just something to give them context, you know what I mean? And so you can kind of do that. I don't want to put the space there, my bad. And then maybe something to match nice. I don't know, that's kind of ugly. Maybe that's okay. So maybe I'll put that at the very top because you want to know, like with TikTok's overlay, the UI, things of that nature. And honestly, this is done. Like we have it all fully paced. We got 7 seconds, so not enough to do another one. But in 3, 2, 1, it's dinging right here. So dismiss that. So honestly, not 5 minutes of a whole week's worth of content. Unfortunately, I didn't get all 5 clips done, but I did get one banger clip. And honestly, if it takes 5 minutes to make one clip, it only takes like 30 minutes to do an entire week's worth. So I'll take the L. Let's take a look at this finished short form video that took us literally 5 minutes. So I'll drag it and I'll play it from the beginning so we can take a look at it.
Bendy asks, any tips for new just chatting streamers? I'm new. What I would do if you're a new just chatting streamer, I would do 2 things. 1, I would have a little list next to you like we have here and write down different topics on things that you want to talk about. I have my Raid gift card because I got addicted to Raid Shadow Legends. I have one about Christmas, and I have one about the new treadmill speed up redeem. So that way your mind doesn't go blank while you're doing the chatting and you're not like just fumbling over your words saying, so what's up, chat? And then 2, I would follow this channel so you can keep getting more tips.
Perfect.
Like
and you get that little follow sticker at the bottom. Love it. That's why I like having it at the end instead of the front, because then it's not just like, hey, you know, follow me or whatever. But anywho, all you have to do is click share, and then you can download this clip, and then you can manually upload it to Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, like my personal preferences. Or if you're super duper lazy, you can publish it directly to TikTok and YouTube through this widget here. All you gotta do is connect your accounts. But I personally like doing it, downloading it manually. But I just wanted to show you guys the power of how fast you can do this. It doesn't need to take hours. So if you want to stop grinding, you want to start growing like the pros and pushing these clips out consistently as fast as this, then you can use my discount link down below and use coupon code Cpaws to save some money, which seriously will save your mental health, so you got to check it out. But honestly, tools are only half the battle as a content creator and streamer. If you want the full strategy, you got to check out my free streamers masterclass linked in the description down below. I show you how to grow from zero, how to build a professional brand, and how to turn this into a side hustle income. Plus, you get my pre-stream cheat sheet for free. But if you want to get your stream clips instantaneously using that OBS replay buffer, watch this video to the side of me. I show you how to do it step by step to literally save you hours of time. So give that video a watch. My name's Cody, and I will see you in the next one.